Welcome back, my dear students. Hope you all had a healthy breakfast. Having healthy breakfast in the morning keeps you fresh and energetic throughout the day. So every morning have healthy breakfast and eat on time. Let us have a quick recap of what we learned in the previous session. In previous session we learned three-digit numbers, hundreds, tens and ones, and we learn how to write numbers in hundreds place, tens place and ones place. My dear children, in this session we are going to see three-digit number names and place and face value of numbers. Shall we move into today's session? Yes. The first topic of this session is three-digit number names. Here we are going to write the number names for three-digit. There are certain rules for writing three-digit number names. That is, first one, read or write the number name of the three-digit at a hundreds place. For example, if we are having 387 number, so in this 387, 7 is in ones place and 8 is in tens place and 3 is in hundreds place. So as per first rule, here you have to see the number which is in the hundreds place. We have 3. So you have to write 3 as number name, that is THREE. Next, read or write the word 100. After writing 3 in number name, you have to write 100 next to the 3, that is THREE 3, HUNDRED 300. Third one, read or write the number name of the last two digit as you read or write the number name of a two-digit number. So in the next two digit, that is tens and ones place, we have 87. So we have to write 87 in number names, that is EIGHTY 80 SEVEN 7. So as per rule, first we wrote the 3 THREE. As per the second rule, after 3 we wrote 100 HUNDRED. After 100 we wrote the third rule, that is the last two digits, that is tens and ones place, you have to read it and write it as the number name. For example, they have given 687. So in hundreds place we have 6. So we have written SIX 6. After 6, the second rule of the number name, three-digit number name is you have to write 100. HUNDRED 100. So we have written 600. After 600, we have to write the number name of the tens and ones place, that is 87. So EIGHTY 87. Altogether you have written as 687. Second one, 211. So here 2 is in hundreds place, so you have written TWO2. After 2 you have written the place value of 2, that is 2 is in hundreds place, so you have written 100 HUNDRED 100. Then after that you have written numbers which is in tens and ones place. In tens and ones place we have 11, so we have written ELVEN 11. Next we have is 409. So 4 is in hundreds place, so we are writing FOUR 4. So the place value of 4 is 100, so we are writing 100 HUNDRED 100. After 100 in tens place we have 0, so we are not writing anything, and in ones place we have 9, so we are writing 9. So together we can write it as 409. Next we have 314. 3 is in which place? 3 is in hundreds place. So we are writing THREE 3, and place of this and 3 is in hundreds place. So we are writing 100. After 3 we have 14, that is 1 in tens place and 4 in ones place. So we are writing it as 14. Next we have 230. So number which is in hundreds place is 2. So we are writing TWO2. Then we are writing the place value of 2 is 100 HUNDRED 100. After 200 we have 2 digit which is 30 THRTY 30. Next we have 720. So number 7 is in hundreds place. So we are writing number which is in hundreds place is 7. So we are writing SEVEN 7, and we are writing 100 HUNDRED 100. After 700 we have 20. So we are writing it as TWENTY 20. Next we have 555. Here we have 5 in ones place, 5 in tens place and 5 in hundreds place. So number which is in hundreds place, it is 5. So we are writing 5. After 5 we are writing 100. After 100 we have 55. So we are writing 55. F-I-F-T-Y 50. F-I-V-E 5. 55. The next number is 600. Here if you see, there is no number in ones place and there is no number in tens place. In hundreds place we have 6. So we are writing 6. After 6 we are writing 100. And since there is no number in ones and tens place, so we are not writing any. So it is read as 600. Write the number names of the following numerals. Here they have given you the numerals and you have to write the number names for these numerals. As we saw earlier, when we have 3-digit number and we are writing number names for 3-digit number, you have to write the number name of the number which is in the hundreds place. Here in hundreds place we have 6. So we have to write 6. After 6 we have to write 100. Hundred. 100. After 100 we have to write the number names of the numbers which is in the tens place and ones place. So in tens place and ones place we have 75. So we are writing 75. SEVENTY 75. FIVE 75. Together it is 675. B. We have 981. Here in hundreds place we have 9. So we are writing NINA 9. After that we have to write the place value. That is, we have to write the place where number 9 is in. Number 9 is in hundreds place. So we have to write 100. HUNDRED 100. After that we have 8 in tens place and 1 in ones place. Together it is 81. We have to write 81. EIGHTY 80. ONE 81. C. We have 700. So in ones place we have 0, tens place we have 0 and hundreds place we have 7. So we are writing SEVEN 7 and the position of number 7 is 100. So we are writing 100. HUNDRED 100. So it is read as 700. So here we have written 675, 981 and 700. 4. Write the numerals for the following number names. Here they have given you the number names and you have to write the numerals for these number names. A. We have 212. So in 212 we have to write the numeral for the number which is in hundreds place. Here in hundreds place we have 2. So we are writing 2. After 2 we have to write the number which is in tens place and ones place. So 200 we have written it as 2 and 12 we have to write it as 1, 2, 12. So together if we read it as 212. B. 676. As we discussed earlier, we have to write the number which is in the hundreds place. In hundreds place, we have 6. After 6, we have 76. That is 600. We have written 6 in hundreds place. After that, we have 76. So we have to write 76. Together, if you read it as 676. C. 504. So in hundreds place we have 5. After that we have 4. So as we discussed in previous session, we said that ones comes in just single numbers. So here we have just 4, which means that there is no tens. So we have to put 0 in tens place and next we have 4. This number can be read as 504. 4. Fifth one, represent the following numbers on the given abacus. Here they have given you the number 745, that is 745. You have to represent this number through abacus by drawing beads in hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Here in 745, 5 is in ones place. So we have to draw 5 beads in ones place. Here ones place we have 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads in ones place. Next we have in tens place 4. So you have to draw 4 beads in tens place. 4 beads in tens place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In hundreds place we have 7. So we have to draw 7 beads in hundreds place. So in hundreds place we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beats it hundreds place. B, we have 512. So in ones place we have 2. So you have to draw 2 beads in ones place. 1, 2. And in tens place we have 1. So you have to draw 1 bead in tens place. In hundreds place we have 5. So in hundreds place we have to draw 5 beads. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in hundreds place we have to draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in hundreds place we have 5 and 5 beads, and tens place we have 1 and 1 bead, and ones place we have 2 and we have 2 beads. So we have represented 512 through beads in abacus. Next comes the riddle part. Which number am I? The number at my ones place is the greatest one digit number. What is the greatest one digit number? It is 9. Second one, the number at my hundreds place comes just before the greatest one digit number. The greatest one digit number is 9. The number before 9 is 8. The number at my tens place is 0. So you have to place 0 in the tens place. So the number is 809. The next topic of the session is place value and face value. What is place value? Place value means the value of the digits according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundreds. Here they are saying that the place value of the digit depends upon its place in the number. That is, here we have 564. Here 5 is in hundreds place, 6 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place. So the word place value. So place is 5. The value of 5 is 100. So it is represented as 500. That is 5 into 100. So 100 we have to say it till we get 500. 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Next we have 6. 6 is the place and the value of the 6 is tens. So we have to say 10 6 times, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Next comes ones. Ones, as I said earlier, ones is a single digit number. So 4 ones. 4, if you say just 4, it is said of, that is 4 ones. So the place value means you have to give the value of the number where it has been placed value. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. That is, the face value of each digit in a number is same as the digit itself. Here 5 is a digit which is in hundreds place, and 6 is a digit which is in 6 place, and 4 is a digit in the ones place. So here the face value of the digit is the digit itself. So we have to write 5, 6 and 4. When write the place value of the underlined digit. So here they have given the 3-digit number and they have underlined a number in this 3-digit. So you have to write the place value of the underlined digit. A, we have 347. So 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place and 3 is in hundreds place. So they have underlined 4. So we have to write 4 into 10, which is 40. Next, B, we have 517. Here, 7 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place, and 5 in hundreds place. So, here the face value of 5 is 5 into 100, which is 500. C, 623. 3 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place and 6 is in hundreds place. They have underlined 3. So 3 is in ones place. So here we have to write 3 into 1, which is just 3. So, place value, you have to write the value of this number. Suppose here they have underlined 4. The value of this position is tens. So, 4 into 10 is 40. Here they have underlined 5. The value of 5 is 100. So, 5 into 100 is 500. Here they have underlined 3, which is in ones position. So, 3 into 1 is 3. Seventh one, write the face value of the highlighted digit. Here they have highlighted 7. 7 is in hundreds place, but in face value you have to write the digit itself. B, we have 834. So 4 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, and 8 is in hundreds place. So here they have highlighted 4. So you have to write the face value of 4 ones is just 4. C, 917. 7 in ones place and 1 in tens place and 9 in hundreds place. Here they have highlighted 1, which is in tens place. So the face value of 110 is 1. Children, in this session we have seen number names of 3 digit and place value and face value. In number names of 3 digit we had 3 rules. That is, first rule is that you have to write the number name which is in the hundreds place. After that, the second rule is you have to write 100. After that, the third rule is that you have to write the number name of the digits which is in tens place and ones place. Then next comes the place value. Place value, you have to write the value of the digits according to the position and the number. And face value is that you have to write the digit same as the digit itself. That is, face value of each digit in the number is same as the digit itself. You have to write the same digit itself. Children, in next session, we will be seeing expanded form and short form and before, after numbers and comparison of 3-digit numbers. Children, since we are staying at home and spending most of our time with your parents, you can help your parents doing the household work. For example, if your mother is washing the vessel, you can help her in keeping the vessel in its places. Once the cooking is being done, you can help her in keeping the plates on the table and help her in keeping the dishes on the table. Suppose if your father is cleaning something, you can give him things which is useful for him to clean. So engage your time in helping your parents. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you, children. See you in the next session.